I see.
Gosh, Mom. Cover me, Mom. Cover me, Mom. Cover me. Yeah. Cover my shoe. Cover my shoe, Mom.
Where's Julie's shoes? Where's your shoes and socks going, Em?
Mommy.
You taking them off?
No. No. I need a burner. I can't burn her shoes.
No.
No.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
You went on the hayride?
I got on the blue hayride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Ride the ride.
You rode the rides?
Yeah.
Did you pick apples?
I got on the ride.
Took your socks and shoes off?
No.
Did you pick apples?
Whoa! Whoa! Wait! I was calling her Spucky.
Yeah.
I'm taking my shoes off.
What's your name?
Julie.
What's your last name?
Hannah. Anna and Julie. Anna.
Flag?
White. White.
How old are you?
4.
4?
Yep.
No.
I'm covering my feet.
Put those back on?
No.
Are you 3? Are you 3?
Yep. Look at my footy. Don't pull it, sister.
Who's Bella?
No. No, don't pull. Don't pull it. No, I need back.
Emmy's bringing it to you. Oh, she's setting them there. She's putting your sock in your shoe so you don't lose it.
No. No, no, no.